The prototype pattern creates new objects by cloning one that's already built. Instead of configuring each from scratch, you copy a fully prepared prototype. Every time the spawner creates a monster, the constructor runs heavy. Load a sprite sheet, build a behavior tree, roll base stats, attach loot tables. The same costly setup repeats for every spawn. As dozens of monsters appear, the cost climbs. That's the problem. Identical slow setup, run again and again. Let's try a shortcut. A second constructor that copies a monster by reading each field into a new instance. But when we add armor, faction, and status effects, this manual copy silently breaks. Someone forgets a field. The copy logic lives apart from the class and drifts out of sync. The solution is the prototype pattern. We define a prototype interface with a clone method. Monster implements it, so it knows how to duplicate itself, every field, in one place. A fresh copy is instantly ready. The registry keeps fully built monsters, each filed under a name. The spawner just asks for a key and calls clone to min a fresh one. The original stays intact while copies stream out cheaply. At the center sits the prototype interface, declaring clone. Monster implements it. The prototype registry stores a map of prototypes. The client, or spawner, requests a clone from the registry. Notice that every component depends only on the prototype interface, never on concrete classes. See the difference? The first panel calls new monster with 4 arguments inside the loop, and the cost meter climbs every time an object is rebuilt. The second calls clone on the prototype, returning a ready-to-use monster at flat cost. Add a new field, and only clone needs care. Every call site stays untouched. Register one configured prototype, then clone it to spawn new objects. You skip expensive setup, keep copy logic inside the class, and add variations by storing more prototypes.